3, 2, 1, action. Okay. Now, so actually, we discovered that we have 2 grand finales. So, we have a paper grand finale, right? We're only going to use half of that. And we got this grand finale right here. We're going to use the whole of this. I don't know what it's going to do. It just said, I meant clouds of sparks and explosion. For some reason, the forgot to explode. I don't know what it said. Okay, let's just get to the sparklers. Bleek's Firework Special.
All right. Got the lighter.
Get the torchlight. Thank you.
Out by your face, bruh. Oh, my battery is low on here.
I don't care if your battery's low.
Well.
But keep using it until it's all done.
What about my phone calls?
I don't care.
Wow.
I don't care.
Horrible.
You're hard.
This is what they do. This is what the guy does.
If you don't
This guy here.
subscribe in the next 10 minutes, Piggy will kill you.
Piggy. Bro, why you saying they're gonna
I'm
kill you?
serious.
Man, that's not nice. That's not how you gonna get subscribers.
So,
Silly.
you know what? Just subscribe in the next 10 minutes. I can't be bothered.
Can't be bothered.
Okay, I need to learn an ant kill.
Bruh.
These little ants. But innocent, right? And he got killed. Okay.
Horrible. Ant-Man's gonna come for you.
I don't care.
You don't care.
I can just stomp on him.
What? He's the strongest guy ever. He's gonna get you.
No, he isn't.
Cause,
Still
bro.
remember that burn.
Yeah, we're gonna go run it underwater.
It doesn't hurt.
We'll run it underwater real quick, but it looks fine. You got popped with the shock. That is no joke.
It just hurts. It just hurted for a second. It actually happened. And that was it. It went away.
That's it. Good job.
Okay, so as I said in my other videos, the Bleek's Firework Special, when this firework is done, you're gonna put it in there to, like, burn. Well, it's not gonna burn.
Cool
anymore.
down.
This is like this igniter. Sizzle. Gonna keep all the fire out of it.
Wow. Yep. This guy, he love making these long videos. It's 3 minutes now.
I was trying to light a cigarette. I already lit a cigarette.
No, that's just a cigarette butt somebody threw out. It's kind of doity. Ew. Yo.
Here are exploding fireworks.
Wowzers. So watch. Around and around we go. Nobody knows.
I'm probably gonna save one of the sparklers for me to light the grand finale.
Oh yeah.
So I don't have to use the torch lighter and then get burned again.
Oh my goodness.
I was gonna use a sparkler and run away. Then I gotta go to my paper grand finale. I gotta quickly like that and run away. And then boom, boom, boom. Na 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 na.
Too funny guy.
And don't forget, if you're just watching this part with all the fireworks, then don't forget all the parts before we actually went live with this.
That's right.
I almost hit my shirt.
You better watch what you're doing. Yep. Make sure it's all the way down the handle. That one's getting out of control a little bit.
I know.
If it loses control, just get rid of it. There you go. You can squirt it some more water if you want. Then it'll really sizzle out. Good job. Let's get the smoke bomb over here, the blue one.
What?
Get a little more water on that. There you go. Oh boy. Splatters, splatters, splatters. All
We're
right.
gonna see if we have another firework, but we'll see you in the next part. Bleek's Firework Special.